Curious how 3 simple cups of green tea a day can transform your energy and wellness. Drinking green tea in the morning gives you a gentle caffeine boost combined with L-theanine for calm, focused energy. Sipping a second cup around midday helps stabilize blood sugar levels and sustain productivity through afternoon tasks without the jitters. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, help protect your cells from oxidative stress and support overall health. A third cup in the early evening can aid digestion and promote relaxation as your body winds down from daily activities. Regular green tea consumption has been linked to improved metabolism and enhanced fat oxidation, especially when enjoyed around workouts. Drinking green tea 30 minutes before exercise may boost fat burning and increase endurance by optimizing energy utilization. Studies show that the combination of caffeine and L-theanine in green tea promotes alertness and cognitive performance. Unlike coffee, green tea's lower caffeine content minimizes crashes and jitters while still providing mental clarity. Green tea's polyphenol also support heart health by improving blood vessel function and reducing inflammation markers. Hydration is another overlooked benefit, with each cup contributing to your daily fluid intake and overall well-being. Enjoying green tea with meals can help moderate glucose response and support healthy digestion through increased enzyme activity. The ritual of brewing and savoring green tea encourages mindfulness and a moment of calm in a hectic day. Many people find that the warm, earthy flavor of green tea creates a soothing, comforting experience for both body and mind. You can experiment with different green tea varieties, such as sencha, matcha, or gyokuro, to discover flavors you love. To maximize benefits, steep your tea at the correct temperature and time to preserve antioxidants and prevent bitterness. Using loose-leaf tea instead of bags often delivers a richer taste and higher concentration of beneficial compounds. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is simple and flexible, whether you prefer hot brews or refreshing iced versions. As you build consistency, you may notice improvements in focus, metabolism, mood, and digestive comfort over time. Remember that balance is key, so listen to your body and adjust your intake if you experience any sensitivity to caffeine. By embracing the practice of green tea 3 times a day, you create an accessible habit that nourishes both mind and body. Green tea also contains vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, manganese, and potassium, which contribute to overall nutritional support. Over time, the cumulative effects of antioxidants and mild stimulants in green tea can contribute to long-term health improvements. Subscribe to our channel and leave a comment to share your favorite green tea ritual and keep the wellness conversation going.